Hey guys, this is Miss Wiedemann. I just want to show you how to use the expression evaluator because on the factoring quiz today, I'd like you to show your work. So I'm going to show you how you would show your work within Edulastic. So this is not a problem on the quiz, just giving you a sample problem. So let's say you had to factor the expression g of x equals x to the fourth minus 19x squared plus 90. What you're going to do is you're going to click on this expression evaluator, and you're going to type your work in here. So the first step that I would have to do, oops, I'm going to make sure you use the exponent, is I'm going to set this equal to 0. Okay, and then I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to do the second step. The second step is to actually factor. So this would be x squared. I'll come back to that. And then I know I have to have x squared in the second one. And then it's got to equal 0. Now, two numbers that multiply to 90 but add to negative 19 are negative 9 and negative 10. Okay, then my next step, I'm going to hit enter. X squared minus 9 is the difference of two squares. It's going to factor to be x plus 3, x minus 3. And then I'm going to hit x squared minus 10 is not factorable. So I'm going to leave that how it is. Okay, so then I know I'm going to have zeros at negative 3, positive 3, and I got to figure out what the answer is to this one. So I'm going to take x squared, oops, I use the exponent, and I would, this is subtract 10, so I would add 10. And then I can enter over here and show that this would be x is equal to, there's a plus or minus, square root of 10. If that radical can be simplified further, then you will. And now I know my final answer is going to be, I have plus or minus 3 and plus or minus the square root of 10. And that would be all of the work that you need to show. So you're going to use this expression evaluator. Remember, if you're using an exponent, you need to use this option. If you're using a radical, this option. Plus or minus is over here, and there's tons of other different symbols. And then all of that work will show up, and then you submit it, and I can check to see if your work is correct. So not only do I want the final answer, but I want you to show your work as well using that expression evaluator. All right?